आता रेव्होल्युशन भवन पार्टीचे जर कॅन्डिडेट तिथून परत काँग्रेस जालो आनी रेव्होल्युशन आनी तुमी म्हणजे तुमी तिगूय
ना काँग्रेसीचो कॅन्डिडेट आसतलो अशें म्हाका दिसना. आय थिंक बेटर सेन्स विल प्रिवेल.
म्हणजे तुमचे हे हा चालू हा सीटाच्या बाबतीन
हांवें सांगला तुका की काँग्रेस आनी आमी नॅचरल एलायन्स. आमी उलयत आहा, उलयत राविल्ले आनी उलयत रावतले.
कित्याक फाल्यां
सर एमके शिकान आता आमकां स्टेटमेंट दिला की आरजीपीन चॅप्टर क्लोज केलो म्हणून एलायन्साचो चॅप्टर क्लोज केलो म्हणून ते एलायन्सान रावचे ना. सो तेजो तुमकां कितें इम्पॅक्ट जातलो?
आरजीपी विमानान अशें वतना फोटो तुवें जो घाल्लो ताचेर दिशिल्लें की चॅप्टर क्लोज जालो दिल्लीच्यान. गोंयची रिजनल पार्टी दिल्ली वचून चॅप्टर क्लोज कित्याक करता तें कळूना म्हाका. आमी खंयच दिल्ली वचूना, आमी मुंबय वचूना, आमी बेळगांव वचूना. आमी गोंयांतच रावन मॅक्झिमम फातोर्ड्याच्यान दिवाडे गेल्या तितल्याच भोंवल्या आमी आनी कसलोच चॅप्टर क्लोज जावंक ना.
बराबर आसल्यार तुमकां एडवांटेज आसतली चड म्हणून. आनी
गोंयकारांक एकवट म्हणटा कितें तो दाखोवंक मेळचो आनी जो लोकांक एकवट जाय हो एक एकवट घडोवन हाडचो म्हणून हांवेंच पयलीं इनिशिएटीव घेतिल्लो. पूण बीजेपी कडेन रिसोर्सीस खूब आहात. बीजेपी म्हणटा ती सादी पार्टी न्ही, व्हडली पार्टी. बीजेपी तुजे भावा भितर केंसां पेटोवंक शकता, तुजे घरान फूट हाडूंक शकता. ह्या बीजेपीन म्हाका दिसता यशस्वी प्रयोग केल्लो आहा ऑपोजिशन युनिटी फोडून गोंयांत. पूण ती फोडली म्हणून कांय जायना. सुसंस्कृत आनी हुशार गोंयची जनता कोणाक मत मारप आनी कोणे एकवट मोडला ते आयडेंटिफाय करतले इलेक्शना मेरेन आनी ते कोणाक न्याय दिवंक जाय ताका न्याय दितले ही म्हाका खात्री आहा.
So RG connection is with the BJP, you mean to say? Something like that?
I mean to say what I have said. It is for you to infer what I am trying to say. What I am trying to say is very simple. People want unity. Therefore, I took the initiative to have this unity. Subsequently, several developments happened. And it appears now that the Congress senior leadership has said that one chapter is closed. Now you can see the sequence of events which have led to that chapter being closed. And you can infer for yourself who is responsible for that. I had initiated the unity moves. I am with the unity moves today. And after the Zilla elections also I will be for unity.
But can you blame the RG? Isn't it the blame should fall on the Congress because they are the ones who are delaying all along?
So, the main thing is the senior partner in this alliance is the Congress party. The announcement of an alliance also has to be done by the Congress party, not by me. I am only answering questions which you are putting to me. I am not announcing an alliance because I am not the senior partner. I may be a senior legislator in the opposition or maybe, good friends with you. That's all. But, I am not the man who should be announcing an alliance. I am announcing that Vikram Parab is my candidate. I will do everything to try to get him elected. And he will do everything to give justice to the people of his constituency after getting elected.
So one more question. RG is giving more steps on the defector. Ki Goa Forward is taking a defector. So they don't want a defector to be the part of the...
See, the definition of a defector and has to be gone through. Number one, I respect the views of RG that people should not use a platform of a regional party for defectors. We are not giving any defector a platform. We have admitted one person who last time contested as an independent candidate and got 6,000 votes in Kanakon. We have only admitted him. He is not our candidate. Congress has admitted a person who till yesterday was the president of the Zilla, was the chairman of the Zilla of South Goa and gave her husband a ticket the next day. So what is the definition of defector? You find out. And ask RG whether that falls in the definition. Or whether we should start a new dictionary called the RG dictionary.
So आनी एक पहिले अशें जाल्लें तुमी पळय कॅन्डिडेट एक हें काडलो तुमचो मेंबर तेजे लँड स्कॅमान हा पण ताका काँग्रेसान घेतलो.
घेऊन मागीर आडायलो खंय आमी काडलो कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून काडून ना ताका आमी मेंबरशीप मेंबर म्हणून सस्पेंड केलो. मागीर ताजे कितें खूब इश्यूज जाले आनी तो बावडो आतां सुशेगाद आहा ताका आसती.